going on? Mr. Dave here on the rock pile out here in North County, San Diego. Back at it after my little delay or timeout, I guess you might say, for medical purposes, but we are back at it. And as you may have seen from previous pictures, there was gaping holes right here, and we have sections on the bottom that are still there, but we are filling them in. We put new rebar in some of these spots and ground off the old rebar that was still rusty. We've got spots we're going to fill in with our mortar mix, trying to reestablish places that are natural looking and also keep the crack dynamic going on. We've got this little guy right here that needs to get covered up, and this one over here got a piece of rebar. I might cut that off right there, and this whole section we filled in as well, and a little spot over there on that side we did the same thing. We lowered the water level. You can see it around there. The step is exposed. It's a 3M plaster product, so it's very durable, and we are able to do that a little bit. That little island right there, that rock island, was set up for a umbrella pole that just never really worked out, so they filled that in with concrete or mortar prior to our arrival. But you can see the rust that's going on right there, and we're going to try and grind that out and get rid of the rebar, because at this point that's a pretty safe shape right there, so we don't think we need it. Grinding off all the calcification, efflorescence on the front of the spa right there, and that spillway had mortar pieces. We took those out, and we're going to crisscross those and try and reset them with a new mortar mix and high strength cement as well. So we're on the rock pile, on the repair rock pile, doing our thing. So hope you're doing well out there. Remember to be thankful and forgiving every day, and you will have a better life, and those around you will too. So anyway, davehenderson.podia.com for free tutorials and information on how we do this stuff if you like, and www.daverhenderson.com for blogs and links to other platforms. Also, there, do my little commercial. So anyway, remember to be thankful and forgiving. That's the key to happiness, and you will bless others around you, and that's a good thing. So we will see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe and be creative. Make someone smile and make someone laugh every day if you can. All right. We'll see you next time. Mr. Dave checking out. Bye.